In this video, we will demonstrate how to make piping. Step 1. Prepare the cord. Depending on your project, you might want to cut the cord smaller than your fabric strip and align it to allow tucking in the ends of the fabric. In most cases, cut the cord 2 inches, 5 centimeters longer than your fabric strip. On each side of the fabric strip, align for 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters to be sticking out. Step 2. To prevent the cord from unraveling, burn or tape the edges. Step 3. Create the fabric strip. The piping length should be bigger than the amount of space that you want to cover. Making extra piping is recommended. The width of the strip depends on the thickness of the cord you will need to cover. Step 4. Cord inside the fabric. Fold and pin the width of the fabric strip in half, keeping the cord inside the center. Step 5. Sew the fabric strip length. Base, stitch the fabric close to secure the cord. Step 6. Cut off the extra seam allowance. The seam allowance depends on the project. Some projects require a wider seam allowance. Now you've made piping!